friends! Today I wanted to share a video about how I like to handle color changes and carrying the yarn cleanly between rounds in crochet projects. It's particularly helpful when you want to keep things clean and tidy because intentionality is always good, and it happens to be featured pretty prominently in my moon turtle pattern. So let's get started. As you can see, I've already started my moon here. I actually just completed round 5, but we will go ahead and talk about the best way to go about these frequent color changes, changing that color of yarn and then also carrying your other color behind it, creating a nice, relatively organized backside there. So we are just having finished round 5 of the shell, moving into round 6. The first thing I need to do is 5 stitches in my lighter color yarn. So right here I have it prepped for that. We're going to pull that yarn up just as we're going to be working it, and then we've got this second darker color behind. So to do the 5 stitches there, what we're going to be doing is working over that second yarn we're not using right now with our stitches. So we go up under the V of the next stitch right there, and then we make sure that that other yarn we're not using right now is over that hook as well. Pull up a loop and finish. And so then that yarn is tucked behind this next stitch. So we need 4 more of these. Again, we're under that stitch and under the yarn we're not working with right now, and pulling the yarn we are working with up over it. 3, oops, 4. Now on our 5th stitch, because this is the last stitch we want this color just now, we'll go ahead and do the same thing we've been doing, pull it up, but that loop that we'll be picking up, because we want the next stitch to be our dark color again, we'll pick up that dark color we've been carrying and pull that one through instead. So now that second darker color is on our hook. Let's see. Round 6, the next 2 stitches are dark, so again we'll go under the V of that next stitch. Now our non-working light yarn will also go over the hook, and then we'll pull that dark yarn up over both for 2 stitches, and then we're switching colors again, so we'll pick up the color we want to use next and finish that final stitch with the next color. I've got 3 of those. 1, 2, 3, color change, pick up the other yarn that we had been carrying, pull through. So as you can see, I've got nice clean color changes here, and on the back side that carried yarn has been mostly hidden, and it's coming out right where I need it to be to keep working with it. Thank you so much for being here and spending a little creative time with me today. I hope that these tutorials brought some ease, joy, love into your making process. I have a bale of turtles as an outcome, so I'm going to get to decide what to do with that. But anyways, if you found this video helpful, feel free to like it, subscribe, share it with other makers, anything that keeps the creative process going. You can find a link to the moon turtle pattern as well as other handmade goodies in the description below. And I hope that you can keep creating with softness and intention, and we'll see each other again soon. Thank you.